Chapter 6 Application of Derivatives Exercise 6.3 or 6.5 in the previous textbook. 15th question. Find two positive number x and y such that their sum is 35 and the product is x square y raised to 5 is a maximum. So we have given the two numbers x and y. That means x plus y is equal to 35. Sum is 35. Now the product can be written as x square y raised to 5. If x plus y is equal to 35, we can write x is equal to 35 minus y. Let f of y be the function. So we can write let f of y be x square y raised to 5. That is the product. Or we can substituting instead of x square, that is 35 minus y whole square into y raised to 5. Or we can write what is 35 minus y whole square, that is 35 whole square in minus 35 into 2y plus y square into y raised to 5. Or what is 35 whole square, that is 1225 minus 35 into 2, that is minus 70y plus y square into y raised to 5. Now taking y raised to 5 inside the bracket, so we have 1225 into y raised to 5 minus 70y into y raised to 5, that is 70y raised to 6 plus y square into y raised to 5, that is y raised to 7. So that is f of y. So we have d by dy of f of y, that is f dash of y, that is d by dy of 1225 y raised to 5 minus 70 y raised to 6 plus y raised to 7. So what is d by dy of 1225 y raised to 5, that is 1225 into 5 y raised to 4 minus 70 into y raised to 6, that is 70 into 6 y raised to 5 plus d by dy of y raised to 7, that is 7 y raised to 6. Or we can write 1225 into 5, that is 6125 y raised to 4 minus 70 into 6 420 y raised to 5 plus 7 y raised to 6. Or y raised to 4 is taken outside, so we have 6125 minus 420 y plus 7 y raised to 7 y square. So we have y raised to 4 into again what is 7 y square minus 420y plus 6125. It is a quadratic equation. So in order to find y, we have minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. We are applying that equation here. So instead of b, we have minus 420. Instead of a, that is 7. And instead of c, we have 6125. So applying each and every value, we have two values for y, that is 35 and 25. So we can write y raised to 4 into the above quadratic equation can be written as y minus 35 into y minus 25. So from this, if f dash of y is equal to 0, that means y raised to 4 into y minus 35 into y minus 25 is equal to 0. Here the values of y are y raised to 4 is equal to 0, that means y is equal to 0. Similarly, y minus 35 is equal to 0, so y is equal to 35. And y minus 25 is equal to 0, that means y is equal to 25. So we have three values for y. So we have given in the question that x and y are positive numbers. So x plus y is equal to 35. Now we have three values for y, that is 0, 25 and 35. Here 0 cannot be used because 0 is not a positive number. Similarly, 35 also, if x plus y is equal to 35, we have the sum should be 35, so 0 plus 35 it is, that means x becomes 0. So the value for x becomes 0 is impossible. It is not a positive number. So only the possible value for y we can choose is 25. So we use 25. Y is equal to 25 here. So what is d square f of y by dy square? That is d by dy of any values of f dash of y, that is we will be taking 6125 y raised to 4 minus 420 y raised to 5 plus 7 y raised to 6. So d by dy of 6125 y raised to 4, that is 6125 into 4 y raised y cube minus 420 into y raised to 5, that is that is 420 into 5 y raised to 4 plus d by dy of 7 y raised to 6, that is 7 into 6 y raised to 5. Or 6125 into 4, that is 24,500 y cube minus 420 into 5, that is 2,100 y raised to 4 plus 7 into 6, that is 42 y raised to 5. So if y is equal to 25, f double dash of y can be written as, instead of y we are applying 25 here. So we have 24500 into 25 whole cube minus 2100 into 25 whole raised to 4 plus 42 into 25 whole raised to 5. Or taking 25 whole cube, that is common in all terms in the outside. So we have 25 whole cube into 24500 minus 2100 into 25 plus 42 into 25 whole square, or 25 whole cube, and 7 is again taken outside in all the terms. So we have the remainder, that is That is, f double dash of 25 can be written as 25 whole cube into 7 into 3500 minus 300 into 25 plus 6 into 625. So we are solving, if we are solving the terms inside the bracket, it will be a negative. So from this f double dash of 25 becomes negative, which is less than 0. So we have the maximum for f of y. So at y is equal to 25. So now we will be going back to our first question, that is x plus y is equal to 35. So from this x is equal to 35 minus y, instead of y we are applying 25. So 35 minus 25. So we have the x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 25, and they are the two positive numbers. Chapter 6, Application of Derivatives, exercise 6.3 or 6.5 in the previous textbook. Question number 16. Find two positive numbers whose sum is 16 and sum of whose cube is minimum. So we have given two numbers, that is, let x be the first number and y be the second positive number. So if we have given x plus y is equal to 16, that is sum is 16. So from this we can write y is equal to 16 minus x. Sum of whose cube is minimum. So we can write sum of whose cube, that means x cube plus y cube. That should be minimum. So let the function f of x be x cube plus y cube, or what is x cube plus, instead of y cube, that is 16 minus x whole cube. Now f dash of x can be written as d by dx of x cube plus 16 minus x whole cube, d by dx of x cube, that is 3x square, d by dx of 16 minus x whole cube, that is 3 into 16 minus x whole square, into d by dx of 16 minus x, that is minus 1 only, into minus 1. Or f dash of x can be written as 3 into x square minus 16 minus x whole square into minus 1. So minus 16 minus x whole square. Or when f dash of x is equal to 0, we can write 3 into x square minus 16 minus x whole square is equal to 0. 3 into x square minus 16 minus x whole square. If we are expanding the terms for 16 minus x square, that is x square minus 16 whole square minus 32x plus x square. Minus is taken into the bracket. So we have x square minus 16 whole square plus 32x minus x square. X square and x square cancel. So we have 16 whole square plus 32x minus 16 whole square plus 32x. So from this x is equal to 16 whole square by 32. By cancelling we have the remaining 8. So x is equal to, the value of x is 8. Now what is f double dash of x? That is d by dx of 3 into x square minus 16 minus x whole square. So d by dx of 3 into x square minus 16 minus x whole square, that is 3 into d by dx of x square, that is 2x, minus d by dx of 16 minus x whole square, that is 2 into 16 minus x into d by dx of 16 minus x, that is minus 1. So we can write f double dash of x, 3 is taken inside the bracket. So 6x plus minus 2 minus 1. So plus 6 into 16 minus x. Now if we are applying the value of x instead of 8, so double dash of 8 can be written as 6 into 8 plus 6 into 16 minus 8. So if we solve that, we will be getting a positive value. That means it is minimum at x. Now when we apply x equal to 8, we have the equation, that is x plus y is equal to 16. From this, y is equal to 16 minus x. Instead of x, we are applying the value 8. So 16 minus 8, that is 8. So y is 8 and x is also 8. The two numbers will be 8 and 8 here. Moving on to the next question, that is 17th question. A square piece of tin of side 18 cm is to be made into a box without top by cutting a square from each corner and folding up the flaps to form a box. What should be the side of the square to be cut off so that the volume of the box is maximum as possible? So let us consider x be the side of the square to be cut off. So we have V be the volume of the square box. What is volume of a square box? That is L into B into H. What is L? So we have given the length of a square, that is 18 cm, and x is cutted from the both sides. So x plus x, that is 2x. So 18 minus 2x will be the length and breadth of the box that is made from this square. So what will be the height then? That will be the x. That means the piece cutted off, that is x. So length is equal to 18 minus 2x, breadth is also 18 minus 2x, h will be the x, that is height is x. So what is volume? That is 18 minus 2x into 18 minus 2x into x. By solving the brackets, we have 18 into 18, that is 324, minus 18 into 2x, that is 336, minus 2x into 18, that is minus 36x, plus minus 2x, that is plus 4x square into x. taking x inside, we have 324x minus 72x square, minus 36 minus 36, that is 72, 72x square, x is taken inside, so 72x square plus 4x square into x, that is 4x cube, or we have 4 is taken outside, that is 81x minus 18x square plus x cube. Or by rearranging, we can write the volume can be written as 4 into x cube minus 18x square plus 81x. Now what is dv by dx? That is d by dx of 4 into x cube minus 18x square plus 81x. That is 4 into 4 is taken outside. d by dx of x cube, that is 3x square. d by dx of minus 18x square, that is minus 18 into 2. X, that is 36x, d by dx of 81x, that is 81 itself. So dv by dx is equal to 4 into 3x square minus 36x plus 18. At dv by dx is equal to 0. When it becomes 0, we have 4 into 3x square minus 36x plus 81 is equal to 0. 4 becomes 0. So we have the remaining, that is 3x square minus 36x plus 81. 3 is taken outside. So 3 into x square minus 12x plus 27 is equal to 0. That is x square plus minus 12x plus 27. That is a quadratic equation. So we have the values for quadratic equation, that is 3 into x minus 9 into x minus 3. So we have the value which is equal to 0. So we have the values of x, that is x is equal to 9 and x is equal to 3. So these are two values of x. So here 9 cannot be used. It is not possible here because we have said it in the question that what should be the side of the square to be cut off so that the volume of the box is maximum as possible. We want to find the side should be cut off to become the volume maximum. So here x is equal to 9 is not taken. Instead of that, we will be taking x equal to 3 and we are applying it in the equation of d square v by dx square. So what is d square v by dx square? That is d by dx of 4 into 3x square minus 36x plus 81. dv by dx, that is 4 into 3x square, that is 3 into 2x minus 36x, that is minus 36, or 4 into 6x minus 36. At x equal to 3, we have d square v by dx square. At 3 we have 4 into, instead of x, that is 3, 4 into 6 into 3 minus 36, or 4 into 6 into 3, that is 18 minus 36. So what is 18 minus 36? That is minus 18. So 4 into minus 18, that is a negative quantity. So we can say that at x equal to 3, we have d square v by dx square is equal to, is less than 0 and it is a negative quantity. So at x equal to 3, we have the maximum. Sorry, I have written minimum there. Sorry for that. Maximum. So at x equal to 3, we have maximum. That is the side of the box. Chapter 6, Application of Derivatives, exercise 6.3 or 6.5 in the previous textbook. 18th question. A rectangular sheet of tin 45 cm by 24 cm is to be made into a box without top by cutting off square from each corner and folding up the flaps. What should be the side of the square to be cut off so that the volume of the box is maximum? So I have given the rectangular sheet and from each side a square of x centimeter is being cut out. Now we will be having, let x be the side of the square cut off. And we want to find the volume, right? It should be maximum. So what is V be the volume of the box? Now we have given the rectangular sheet with 45 cm and 24 cm as length and breadth. So if x is being cut from each side, we can have x plus x, that is 2x. So 45 minus 2x will be the length of the box and 24 minus 2x will be the breadth of the box. So we can write what is volume? Volume is equal to L into B into H, that is length into breadth into height. Length will be 45 minus 2x, breadth will be 24 minus 2x and H will be x, height is x. So volume is equal to 45 minus 2x into 24 minus 2x into x. Opening the bracket, we have 45 into 24, that is 1080. Similarly, minus 2x into 24, that is minus 48x. 45 into minus 2x, that is minus 90x. Similarly, minus 2x into minus 2x, that is plus 4x square into x. Now x is taken into the bracket, we have 1080x minus 48 minus 90. Minus 48 minus 90, that is minus 138x into x square. X, that is minus 138x square plus 4x square into x, that is plus 4x cube, that is v. So what is dv by dx? That is d by dx of v, that is 1080x, that is 1080x minus 138x square plus 4x cube. So we have d by dx of 1080x, that is 1080 itself, and d by dx of 138x square, that is 138 into 2x, d by dx of 4x cube, that is 4 into 3x square, or we can write 1080 minus 276x plus 12x square, that is dv by dx. At dv by dx is equal to 0, we can write 12x square minus 276x plus 1080 is equal to 0. Here 12 is taken common outside, so we have 12 into x square minus 23x plus 90. What is x square minus 23x plus 90? That is of the form, we are applying not to find x, that is minus b plus 1 minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here we will be getting two values for x, that is 18 and 5. So we have 12 into x minus 18 into x minus 5, which is equal to 0. So we have the values for x, that is 18 and x equal to 5. Here x equal to 18 is not taken, it is not possible here. So we will be taking just x is equal to 5 here. So what is d square v by dx square first? That is d by dx of 1080 minus 276x plus 12x square, or d square v by dx square is equal to d by dx of 1080, that is 0, d by dx of minus 276x, that is minus 276 plus d by dx of 12x square, that is 12 into 2x, or we can write 12 into 2, that is 24x minus 276. So at d square v by dx equal to at x equal to 5, we are substituting instead of x, that is 5. So we have d square v by dx square at x equal to 5 is 24 into 5 minus 276. What is 24 into 5? That is 120 minus 276. So that is a negative quantity. So we can say it is negative. It will be having maximum at x equal to 5. So volume is maximum at x equal to 5. This is what we want to find. Here x is the piece cutted off, side cutted off. Chapter 6, Application of Derivatives, exercise 6.3 or 6.5 in the previous textbook. 19th question. Show that of all the rectangle inscribed in a given fixed circle, the square has the maximum area. So I have given a circle here with radius r. So let r be the radius of the circle. Now a rectangle is inscribed inside the circle with having x as the length of the rectangle and y will be the breadth of the rectangle. So here we will be having a right angle triangle with sides r plus r, that is 2r, x and y, with these three sides having 90 degree as an angle. So we are using the Pythagoras theorem here for the right angle triangle. So we can write x square plus y square is equal to 2r square, or from this y square can be written as 2r whole square, that is 4r square minus x square, or y is equal to root of 4r square minus x square. Let it be the question number 1. Now what is the area of the rectangle? That is length into breadth, that is a is equal to x into y. So a is equal to what is x into what is y, that is root of 4r square minus x square. Now what is area whole square? That is x into root of 4r square minus x square whole square. So taking square inside the bracket, we have x square into root of 4r square minus x square, that is 4r square minus x square. Now x square is taken into the bracket, so we have 4r square x square minus x square, that is minus x raised to 4, that is area square. So what is dA square by dx? That is d by dx of 4r square x square minus x raised to 4, d by dx of 4r square x square. 4r square is a constant, so 4r square into d by dx of x square, that is into 2x, minus d by dx of x raised to 4, that is 4x cube. So we have 4r square into 2x minus 4x cube, that is 8r square x minus 4x cube. Now what is d square? A square by dx square, that is d by dx of 8r square x minus 4x cube. D by dx of 8r square x, that is 8r square minus d by dx of 4x x cube, that is 4 into 3x square, or we can write d square a by dx square is equal to 8r square minus 12x square. To find the maximum, we will be taking d by dx of a square is equal to 0. So it is given in the question that we want to find the square has the maximum area, right? So in order to find the maxima, we will be taking d by dx of a square, that is equal to 0. So what is d by dx of x square? That is 8r square x minus 4x cube, which is equal to 0. Or from this x is taken outside, so x into 8r square minus 4x square is equal to 0. So here from this x is equal to 0 or 8r square minus 4x square is equal to 0. From this x square is equal to 2r square or x is equal to root 2 into r. So we have two values for x, that is 0 and root 2r. Now taking x is equal to root 2r, we have d square a square by dx square is equal to 8r square minus 12x square. So instead of x, we are applying root 2r whole square. So we have 8x square 8r square minus 12 into root 2r whole square, or we have what is root 2r whole square, that is 2r square. So we have 8r square minus 12 into 2, that is 24r square. So what is 8r square minus 24r square, that is 6 minus 16r square. So minus, so negative, so we have the maximum at root 2r, which is equal to x. At x equal to root 2r, from this r is equal to x by root 2. So we have the equation for y. So that is root y is equal to root of 4r square minus x square. So instead of r, we are substituting x by root 2. So we have 4 into x by root 2 whole square minus x square, or root of 4 into x square by 2 minus x square, or we can write y is equal to 4 and 2 cancel. So we have 2x square minus x square, that is x square itself. So y is equal to root x square, that is y is equal to x. Here in the figure we have said that y is the breadth of the rectangle and x is the length of the rectangle. It means length of the rectangle is equal to breadth of the rectangle. Only for a square, length and breadth become same. So we can say that only for a square, only x is equal to y, or area is maximum at x is equal to y. That is for a square. So when a rectangle becomes square, only the area is maximum. Chapter 6, Application of Derivatives, exercise 6.3 or 6.5 in the previous textbook. Question number 20. Show that the right circular cylinder of given surface and maximum volume is such that its height is equal to the diameter of the base. So let us consider x be the radius of the circular cylinder and y be the height of the circular cylinder. Now surface area can be written as S and the volume of the circular cylinder be V. Now we will be having what is surface area of a circular cylinder, that is 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R square. Now instead of R we have x and instead of h we have y here. So substituting that here, so we have 2 pi xy plus 2 pi x square, that is S, that is means surface area. From this 2 pi xy is equal to s minus 2 pi x square, or from this y is equal to s minus 2 pi x square by 2 pi x. What is volume? Volume is pi r square h of a cylinder. Now instead of r we have x and in h y. So we have pi x square y. Instead of y we are substituting x minus 2 pi x square divided by 2 pi x. So we have pi x square into x minus 2 pi x square divided by 2 pi x, or by cancelling pi x square x etc. we have x into s minus 2 pi x square by 2, or we are taking x inside the bracket, we have sx minus 2 pi x cube by 2. So that is volume. So volume can be written as sx minus 2 pi x cube by 2. So what is dv by dx then? That is d by dx of sx minus 2 pi x cube by 2, that is 1 by 2 is taken outside, so d by dx of sx minus 2 pi x cube. S is a constant here, so 1 by 2 into d by dx of sx, that is s minus 2 pi x cube, that is 2 pi into x cube d by dx, that is 3x square, or we can write 1 by 2 into s minus 2 into 3, that is 6 pi x square. So that is dv by dx. Now what is d square v by dx square? That is d by dx of half into s minus 6 pi x square, or d square v by dx square is equal to half into s d by dx of s0 minus d by dx of 6 pi x square, that is 6 pi into 2x, right? So that is minus 12 pi x by 2, or minus 12 by 2, that is minus 6 pi x. Now we have d square y by dx is equal to a negative quantity, that is minus 6 pi x. When dv by dx is equal to 0, we can write half into s minus 6 pi x square is equal to 0. From this we can write s minus 6 pi x square is equal to 0, or x square is equal to s by 6 pi. So we have got x square is equal to s by 6 pi. Now we have above that d square v by dx x square is equal to minus 6 pi x, and that is a negative quantity, so we have the maxima here. Now when x square is equal to s by 6 pi, we have the equation for s, that is 2 pi xy plus 2 pi x square. So substituting that equation here, we have s is equal to 2 pi xy plus 2 pi x square. If x square is equal to s by 6 pi, we can write s is equal to 6 pi x square, or substituting the values of x, we have 6 pi x square is equal to 2 pi xy plus 2 pi x square. 2 pi x is common in both terms, taking that outside, so we have 2 pi x into y plus x, or 6 pi x square is equal to 2 pi x into y plus x, or from this 6 pi x square by 2 pi x is equal to y plus x, or by cancelling we have 3x is equal to y plus x, or y is equal to 3x minus x, that is 2x. So we have got what is y, that is 2x. Now, so from the question, we have first assumed that x is the radius of the circular cylinder and y is the height of the circular cylinder. So from this we have y is equal to 2x. That means height of the cylinder is equal to 2 into radius. X means radius. That means 2 into radius is the diameter. So height of the cylinder is equal to the diameter. So when the volume is maximum, we can write that height of the cylinder will be is equal to the diameter of the cylinder.